How to turn off Find My iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Inside the Settings menu, tap on your Apple account which displays your name at the top. This page manages your personal account used for Apple services like iCloud and the App Store, which syncs content across your devices. On the Apple account page, tap on Find My as shown. Here, tap on Find My iPhone at the very top of the screen. This feature allows you to locate, lock, or erase your device and its accessories. To disable this, tap the toggle switch next to Find My iPhone. A pop-up will appear, requiring you to enter your Apple account password to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Find My on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.